Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero's foundation has been deregistered. The Evans Kidero has been proscribed following investigations by the NGOs Coordination Board into claims the foundation was engaged in illegal activities and alleged failure to account for its financing.
The NGOs Coordination Board Executive Director Fazul Mohammed has asked the Central Bank of Kenya to preserve the foundation's assets until an audit is done. Investigations by the NGO board reveal glaring malpractices, including the fact that the foundation was operating unauthorized bank accounts.
A property known as the Evans Kidero Center, situated in Kileleshwa, was acquired in violation of regulations governing running of NGOs. It was also noted that the foundation transacted millions of shillings, despite the fact that the foundation does not have any known donor on record.
In question is also the formation of the foundation's board of directors, who were found to be senior officials at the Nairobi County government. Several senior employees of the Nairobi County government have been reported to be beneficiaries of the foundation's fund, as other questionable deposits were made to the account.
The NGOs Coordination Board now wants officials of the foundation who are close to the governor investigated.